to Salestrekker 2.0 training series. In this module, we'll walk through how to complete the needs and objectives section. This section is essential for responsible lending and ensures the loan you recommend aligns with the applicant's needs, goals, and financial situation. From within the client's file, select Needs and Objectives from the left-hand menu. This will open a structured form where you can capture the applicant's primary reasons for seeking credit, immediate needs and objectives, within the next 2 years, and longer term, between 2 to 10 years' time. Selecting the loan purpose. Start by selecting the loan purpose. Options include owner-occupied or investment. Choose the option that best reflects the applicant's primary objective. Now select the purpose. Here, you can enter more than one purpose type, for example, refinance or construction. You also have the option to include commentary to provide additional context around the applicant's purpose and objectives. You must include the needed loan amount. Detailing the applicant's objectives. Next, outline the applicant's specific reasons as to why they need this finance. This may include reduced repayments or increased total loan amount or lower interest rate. Provide clear, concise details so lenders understand the applicant's reasoning and desired outcome. Once all details have been entered, review the information to ensure it accurately reflects the applicant's needs and goals. When you're satisfied, select Save at the bottom of the page.